Okay, so I was having a conversation with someone and I told them that several years ago, well, actually, it was probably longer than that, but years ago, I vowed to treat myself better than anyone could ever treat me. I ain't saying that my husband don't treat me good, right? I'm not saying that, right? But I vowed to treat myself better than anyone could treat me, especially in the way that I talk to myself, the way that I carry myself, the way that I handle myself, the way that I take care of my physical body in terms of working out and eating right. I vowed to treat myself better than anyone could treat me. I believe that that is the core of self care. We talk all about self care and how to take care of ourselves and all this kind of stuff, but yet and still, we leave out the mind and how we actually value ourselves in terms of our self-worth and just all of the things that we've done for ourselves, right? So you have to also think about how you think and your physical body, not just one or the other. I vowed to not talk negatively to myself. So I really started, doing a lot of positive self talk. And I think a lot of people don't believe in positive self talk. But, honey, on a daily basis, I'll get up and say, Kiki, girl, you did that thing. Like, you are amazing. You are the best. Because guess what? Somebody might not say that to you. Today, you might not get external validation about how amazing and how awesome you are. And if you don't get it, you can give it to yourself. But I didn't want to rest my values and rest my self worth on the fact that other people had to say something good about me for me to feel good about myself. And I also didn't want to put my health into other people's hands. That's why I get up on a daily basis and I work out my body and I try to eat right. It ain't easy, especially when you want a Snicker bar late at night or some chocolate chip cookies. Oh, well, I digress. I mean, but at the end of the day, I try and I'm hoping you try. And so I just wanted to say to you that you are worthy and you can treat yourself better than anyone else. And it doesn't mean that you're selfish, it means that you love you. And it's okay to love you, especially if you can love other people, then you need to love you. Vow to treat yourself better than anybody else. And that means in your body and even in your mind. Because at the end of the day, if you're not here, you ain't here. You can't help nobody else if you ain't here. Put your mask on first, girl. Put your mask on first, boy. Or else, who knows? So I hope this helped you out. Value yourself, treat yourself good because you deserve it. All right, take care.